Are you struggling to get past the gatekeeper? This video is designed to help. Hey there, my name is Rob Spence, the Managing Director of Paragon Sales Solutions. As an multi-award-winning sales and marketing agency, probably one of the things we're most known for is our telemarketing and our lead generation services. And in fact, at times we can sometimes make over 1,000 telephone calls a day across our whole team. And that's a lot of gatekeepers, trust me. And over the years, we have come up with ideas, solutions, strategies to overcome the gatekeeper and to help us to get more sales, leads and appointments for our clients. Before we go on, as always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. We'd very much appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, drop a like, drop a comment below, let us know that you're watching this. First and foremost, who on earth is the gatekeeper? Well, if you're new to sales, or if you don't know what the gatekeeper is or who the gatekeeper is, fundamentally the gatekeeper, which is not a term I really like, to be honest, but the gatekeeper is someone whom will be that first point of contact between yourself and the people you're trying to do business with, and will sometimes act as a barrier between the decision maker you're trying to do business with and yourself. They hold the power, they hold the gate. Now, the reason I don't like the term gatekeeper is because it gives across this horrible image of a little sort of ogre-looking person that's, oh, I'm a gatekeeper, blah, 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 blah. I think it gives people the wrong impression. But a gatekeeper fundamentally is me. I sometimes pick up the phone for our business. It's my colleagues, it's my staff, it's your mum, it's your auntie, your nephew, your uncle, your auntie, whatever. They're human beings, so always remember that. And that'll come up very soon in one of the tips. So it's very important that we overcome the gatekeeper and potentially work with the gatekeeper to ensure that we can get through to the decision maker and have a great sales conversation. And in this video, we're going to share some of those tips today. So first of all, be prepared. Make sure you sound professional when you're picking up the phone. These gatekeepers, they can smell a salesperson a mile off. If you're stumbling, my name's Timothy and I want to speak to, I think it's, you're going to sound like a muppet. Be prepared, practice your pitch, your elevator pitch, your script. Make sure you sound assertive. I always say that if you're on the phone, try and stand up if you can, or try and take more of a positive stance because you're an authority and you want to help this company solve all of their problems. If you're withering and dithering, then you're only going to have the phone put down on you. Second of all, build rapport. If anything, the gatekeeper sometimes is the most important person within a company. Normally, that gatekeeper, if we look at sort of a receptionist kind of model, it's them that have been at the company the longest and have access to everyone within that company. They know what's going on and they know why it's going on. If you just try and get past the gatekeeper and bat them away like a little fly, you're missing out the point. Build a relationship, build rapport, and fundamentally, every time you follow up and call back that person, that individual you speak to will value your time because you're being respectful. They'll value your short conversations and will eventually pop you through to the decision maker. The next one kind of coincides with that last tip, which is to be persistent. Life isn't the Wolf of Wall Street, trust me. The chances of you picking up the phone and making a sale on the first call are very, very slim. Even trying to set an appointment on the first call is very, very slim. It takes a bigger process. No matter what anyone says, it's not just a, hi, do you want to buy my stuff, buy kind of situation. It's a longer term game. So be persistent, keep calling back, keep sending emails, and that's where the relationship really comes into play. And finally, I always say, try and offer a solution and try and get the gatekeeper involved in the decision-making process, because in doing so, it helps with that relationship development phase, but also ensures that you're getting through to the right person that you think is the right decision maker, and they can then become your internal salesperson. So some of the strategies we sometimes do in-house is we play dumb. We say, hey, listen, this is a sales call and I need to know who's best to speak to. We can solve these problems. These are the benefits we do. Who kind of normally looks at that within the business? Act a bit dumb or get them involved in the sales process. Don't be afraid to offer them a little pitch. Give them the power to sort of help and guide you and put you in the right direction. The more you disrespect the gatekeeper, the more you try and rush past urgently, I must speak to the person above you, little peasant. You're only going to shoot yourself in the foot further down the line. My biggest problem with people trying to just get past the gatekeeper is I've got a team of 10 people out here, and they all pick up incoming calls, and if a salesperson tries to lie, manipulate, or make any of them feel foolish, I'm not going to do business with them, because I have better people who want to do business with me than those that just want to lie and manipulate. And if you can lie and manipulate yourself past the gatekeeper, what's stopping you from lying and manipulate your way to me? So there's some simple tips on how to get past the gatekeeper. Of course, if you are truly struggling, please do look and have a conversation with us as to how we can do your telemarketing and your telesales for you. Or if you'd like some more hands-on sales training, by all means, head on over to Amazon, search for Robert Spence. You'll see an array of my sales books on there. Or head on over to our website. You'll see all of our new online sales training courses, which are designed to help you with every aspect of your sales. If you've watched this far, I really, really appreciate your time, and thank you so much. Stay tuned for more hints and tips over the coming weeks and months. And until next time, all the best.